Hello, YouTubers. Well, I think it's gonna be interesting video. I have some gift for Christmas from my friend. It's a good guy, and he said, "Hey, I know you like some old electronic, so I have something for you." And well, what I got? Let's see together. This is a calculator, a vintage calculator. It's a model 1407 Qualitron. That's so cool. That's not all. The calculator is not working. So this is the best gift for the Christmas what I can to get from my good friend. Okay, let's see what we can do. I have the batteries. The calculator required the 4 cells, AA size. First of all, let's put some batteries inside and see what happens. Okay, I hope it's gonna be a fun project. And nothing. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, uh-huh. Seems to be everything is okay. Arithmetic look like working and giving some result. I think I know what's going on. The screen with very low angle of view. See, just okay. Anyway, let's disassemble it and see what's going on inside. And the couple reasons to do this, it's first of all, it's a little bit dirty. Some dirt here and over here. Scratches. Maybe I can fix it, maybe not. Another one. Scratch. And the goal, it's so okay, this is LED, old style LED display, and the good view, we have the tiny lens for each segment. I think the lens is shifted or installed not proper. It's why we have so low angle of view, and it's usually not possible to see the normal image. So let me see, 1, 2, 3, and dot. Dot is not working. Oh, so we have, maybe it's not mechanical, it's something deeper. All right, let's disassemble it and see what's going on. We don't need any more batteries because already we tested and we know what happened. Let's take a screwdrivers. No. Too big. Let's grab another one. And something still keeping the back cover. I think we have another one screwed behind this sticker. Voila. Ta-da! Oh boy. Okay. So what we got here? This is the keyboard, which is separated from the main board, and main board with the controller and the display. And I think it must be also present some DC or power supply. What the heck? Oh wow. And no, not yet. Come on. Oops. Ta-dam. Oh wow. Look at this. So what do we got? What do we got? This is the screen display, 7 segments display, and the resistors, and the controller. It's a EA7065 7516, I guess. I don't know what it means, but and DC, look. This is a DC which is taking the power from the batteries and converting to the voltage, which is exactly needed to supply the controller and the display. And okay. I need to set up my iron solder. Okay. What I wanted to do, I want to disassemble everything. I want to grab the body and wash it. Try to wash it, clean up it, return to normal condition, to clean, normal, shining condition, and then put back everything and do some testing and see what's going on with screen and what's going on with keyboard, why dot is not showing on a display. And bumps. So this is an old PCB, and I think I will decrease the temperature to 230 just to save wires and plastic from melting and damages, potential damages. So the shielding. Okay, let's go. Yeah, 230, absolutely enough to solder. Here is the present also screw. I don't want to solder this connector, do any desoldering, so let me pick up my knife and okay, looks great. So what do we got? We have the front face plate. It's dirty, a little bit scratched, but here is the switch which one I'm not able to remove. Back cover. Everything is clear. Everything is nice. Let me remove these wires, because all of these plastic parts I want to wash. One, two, three. All parts gonna be original. No any brand new wires, no any brand new screws, nothing brand new. All original. Done. I don't want to kill this switch. But I need to do. That's the bad idea, but let's take one apart. I know it's look like ugly, but this is my decision and my vision and my calculator. Ta-da! Oh, hold on. Nothing special, just very simple design. Dirty. Come on. Okay. Okay. We are ready. Okay, this is what we got after washing. Everything is done. Everything is clear. Looks very, very good. Just let's do some final step and So let me. This surface really looks good. Faces. Yeah, like you can see some flashes or spots still present, but I don't want to use any hard material and cleaning liquid because it can potential damage the surface. So let's leave it as is. Oops. Not so bad, right? And very good news. The glass. It's a red filter. It looks really good and clean inside and outside. Okay, it's time to put back all components, PCB, do some soldering before we will start to assemble back everything. Let's take a look on electronic components. It's a fantastic, so nice. So briefly, usually nothing special, but the membrane keyboard based on the membranes. And then we have arithmetic or logic IC and display, 7-segment display. Yes, and of course, DC converter. Best choice, not so bad. DCV-4025, but I see another numbers. I don't know. This is a resistor, which is necessary to drive the LED. But I'm no idea what is this black round? Look like transistor. It is transistors. It is transistors. Wow. I can show closer. Nice soldering. I didn't see any problem with PCB, with traces or solder spot. Everything is nice, everything is clear. OA-CR91-7506. Interesting. 75. This is a year of manufacture, or what is this? If it's 75, oh, it's pretty. That's great. I don't know why, but corners, bottom corners, left and right, as the cut it. Yeah, exactly. It's cut it. I don't know for what, but it is what it is. Cheap. Gold-plated legs. Nice. Oh my god. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's take a closer. It's interesting, my camera can show what's going on inside. Okay, out of focus. Let me put it back a little bit far. Well, it's time to put everything is back. Here's the good question. I don't know which one is one. Where is the 6, where is the 9? Very and very similar. Okay. Here is an interesting moment. Everything looks good with the display. Huh. Numbers is okay. Yes, angle is not so good, but it's okay for this design. I think problem in another. We have double lens. First one is here, attached directly to the display. You can see how many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9's tiny lens. But second one, look, from inside glass is flat, but outside, that's the lens. Interesting how I can or cannot readjust the position of the display to get better image. Huh. Ah, here you are. Okay. Here is the problem. Angle of this lens, like this, but position of the display, absolutely another. So, that's the answer for the question. So, angle of this second lens must be matched with angle of first lens. Let's take a look on the angle. Not so bad for very old LED. Now let's check the dot. 1 and 2. Not working. I think it's a problem not with the keyboard, because we have response blinking. So controller see the when I'm pushing the dot, but we didn't see any indication on display. I think problem or with soldering, or with the transistor driver, or with the resistor, or with the IC. So I don't want to do this video really long. I think next step we will take in another video when we will disassemble it again and check the circuit diagram. For today it's done. I'm super happy. I don't want to put back the shield because I will disassemble it again in the future. But for first video, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. See you next time. Bye.